We choose the language. We choose the country or region. Set up as new, and continue. Continuer. Not now. Continuer. We create our local user account, and move forward. Here we choose Configure Later, and then Skip. We accept the terms and conditions. Here we can activate or deactivate location services. Here we can also share or not share analytics data with Apple. Continuer. Here we can also activate or not activate Siri. Continuer. Continuer. And that's it. We start our Mac without an iCloud account.